once again.
Hello, it's James here from Riley's Autos, and we are looking at this Ford Ranger. Headlight's not working. So this side's working, this one's not. If you look down here at the back of the plug, the earth cable here is melted. So we're going to open this up, cut it, strip it down, attach a new piece of wire to it and maybe a new spade clip. So we've just pulled that wire out, and this hole here where it sits in, we're just going to try and clean off some of this melted plastic. I'm just going to get my pick here and wedge it in there just to hold that from falling down. And then I'm just going to clean off some of this loose plastic. So I've just joined an extra piece of wire on there just so it's not stretching when you're trying to plug it in. And we're going to just put some heat shrink on there. And here we've just put a replacement spade crimp on there. Now we're gonna come down inside to where the bulb is and just plug it all back together. So we've plugged all of the plug in, and we've just taken that corner piece off where this plug goes on, so we're just gonna plug this bit in manually. And now we have a working headlight. So that's all good for a temporary repair. Obviously you can get a replacement plug for it if you need be. Make sure to like and subscribe.